Boost your efficiency and productivity with Eclipse IDE, a versatile programming environment that supports multiple languages including Java, C/C++, JavaScript, and PHP. Renowned for its extensive coding, debugging, and version control capabilities, Eclipse IDE is a powerful tool for both web and enterprise application development. Eclipse IDE stands out due to its strong plugin support, uniform workspace, and sophisticated debugging tools. It offers enterprise Java development technologies like Java Persistence API, JPA, and Java Server Faces, JSF. Despite its efficiency and ease of use, Eclipse's heavy reliance on plugins can sometimes make it sluggish and present a higher learning curve. However, its robust features make it a popular choice among developers. The platform includes a language syntax editor, environments for debugging, executing, and formatting code, and a comprehensive source and version control environment. Eclipse IDE is particularly favored by Java developers for its powerful features. It supports Java 2 Platform, Enterprise Edition, J2EE development, making it easier for developers to code faster and more efficiently. The Eclipse Foundation, which created and supports the IDE, has made numerous publications available to aid developers. The Java Integrated Development Environment, IDE, is the most prominent feature, but Eclipse also supports other languages like C, C++, and JavaScript. Its open-source modular architecture allows for extensive customization and scalability. Eclipse's Enterprise Edition, EE, is a premium version that offers a variety of capabilities, making it particularly popular among enterprise Java developers. The rising demand for Java Business Enterprise applications has contributed to Eclipse's growing popularity. Java EE differs significantly from standard Java in the Eclipse IDE, offering unique features like servlet, Java Server Pages, JSP, and other tools for creating enterprise-grade applications. The platform supports Spring, struts, and servlets, and is compatible with XML, Tomcat, and Resin formats. It also provides debugging tools to help developers create error-free code. One of Eclipse IDE's most compelling features is its extensive plugin ecosystem. The Plugin Development Environment, PDE, allows developers to create custom plugins, enhancing the IDE's capabilities. The Eclipse Marketplace offers a wide range of plugins for static analysis, code style checking, and system version verification. These plugins can significantly increase the IDE's functionality, making it easier for developers to manage projects, navigate source code, and perform various tasks. The Standard Widget Toolkit, SWT, enables the use of GUI components, further enhancing the development experience. Eclipse IDE is a powerful, versatile tool that boosts efficiency and productivity for developers working on web and enterprise applications. Its strong plugin support, sophisticated debugging tools, and comprehensive workspace make it a popular choice among developers. Whether you're working on Java, C/C++, JavaScript, or PHP, Eclipse IDE offers the features and flexibility you need to create robust, high-quality software. Despite its learning curve and occasional sluggishness, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, making Eclipse IDE an essential tool for modern software development.